Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video we're going to talk about which one is better. Is it Ollama or LM Studio? Of course, every one of them will be good for you depending on your needs, but one might be better than the other. Let's start by going through a quick verdict. First of all, Ollama, it is CLI first and also lightweight, open source, ideal for developers and APIs. For LM Studio, on the other hand, it is GUI heavy, user-friendly, great for non-tech users wanting easy chat with LLMs. So for some core differences, in the installation and interface, for Ollama's example, it is installable via one line, CLI, minimal setup, runs from terminal or services via the API. LM Studio, on the other hand, you'll have to download the GUI app, browser, or as an example, you'll have to download models, and you'll be able to chat right away. No terminal needed. For the features and workflow, for LM Studio, it is built-in chat UI with history present, tuning, and open AI compatible local. Ollama, on the other hand, it is CLI focused, custom model field, run models via like the Ollama run, and of course supports like the GGUF, also the GGML, and of course it's great API integration. For the model support and performance, both support major GGUF based open source LLMs like the Llama, the Mistral, Vicuna, etc. You can see like a lot of models here that you can see in here, and also I guess they will told you like the models that they can run in here as well. But of course, LM Studio may offer some slightly faster models loaded, like flash attention. And Ollama excels, as an example, in customizable model handling and scripting flexibility. So for open source and privacy, Ollama is fully open source and community driven. On the other hand, LM Studio is closed source but leverages open source tech behind the scenes. So what users say, as an example, in some Reddits, I've read a lot of Reddits, as an example, and they say Ollama, as an example, is a simple yet effective back-end option. But LM Studio, it brings, as an example, the whole package with their own UI, but it's more bloated than, and of course, it's closed source. So who is it for? You can choose Ollama if you are comfortable with the terminal or writing scripts, and if you want a full control over model loading, API integrations, and of course, if you value open source transparency. And you can choose LM Source or LM Studio, on the other hand, if you prefer the points and click interactions. If you are also prefer, or if you want an example, and out-of-the-box chat experience, and if you won't use like the command line and just want to explore models. So as a final take, Ollama is the lean developer first tool. LM Studio's example, on the other hand, is the polished beginner-friendly desktop app. So which wins? Both. You can use Ollama for backend and automations, and you can use LM Studio when you need a quick GUI, of course, chat interface. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.